What's up, Rosie Planner gang? It's your girl Rosie Planner. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be working on our weekly plan with me, and this is going to be for April 21st to the 27th. So I'm super excited for this week. It is the almost the last week in April, and I'm super excited because May is my, and I'm just looking at the calendar, May is my birthday month, the 15th, but we'll get to that. So yeah, I'm super excited for the end of April going on. So I'm just kind of looking forward to what the week has in store. So let's talk about stickers for this week. So as you know, last week I did a Planning by Shannon sticker set, and I got 2 of them, so I'm just going to use the second set for this week. And if you don't know what that looks like, these are the stickers that I'm using this week. So I'm super excited because I love this floral pattern, you guys. I love it so much, and I really struggled because I loved the travel planner one, the travel stickers that she did that I used last week. So it was really hard to choose when I first opened them, but I'm here now and I'm super excited to use these. So I'm going to be using these with my glitter blue that matches this, as well as my fine liner blue ink pen. And honestly, that's really it. Oh, also my Happy Planner Gold Star quotes. And that's really it. Kind of like last week, I wanted to keep it simple, and I want my spread to really reflect Planning by Shannon stickers. Like, I didn't want to do too much of my own stuff. So I'm super excited, and let's get right into it, guys. So like always, I'm going to start by writing the dates on these, so that way I don't have to like find the date anywhere else because I forgot.